Hello guys, I'm going to show you a quick window cleaning hack. You can clean your reachable windows with just little or no effort, and your windows will be left sparkly clean without any dots. I discovered this a few months ago and this has worked magic for me. All my reachable windows, I don't have to pay for them to be cleaned. So make sure that your windows are reachable. And with this window cleaning hack, you don't need any chemicals. All you need is a wet damp cloth. You need water, a wet damp cloth, a dry cloth, and a newspaper. So just watch me as I clean my kitchen window. Let's get started. Okay. Here is my wet cloth. So I'm just going to rub that, scrub my window very well. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. Make sure I scrub my window very well. As I said, since I discovered this hack, honestly, I don't need to pay someone to clean my reachable windows. So I'm just going to go in now with a dry cloth. I'll roughly go over it. Just roughly. And here comes the magic. The magic is using an old newspaper to just go over your window. I'm just going to fold that so I can hold it. And I'm just going to go in with circular motions. Circular motion. Just like get the top of it. Just like that. There you go. I'm going to do the same. If your newspaper is damp and wet, you can get another one. You get it changed. If your newspaper is damp and wet, but make sure your window is not completely dry for you to go over with the newspaper. This is how I've been cleaning all my reachable windows. That's all nice and clean. As I said, try this hack and leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends and family, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.